Hi, Ben here from Aptella. Today we've got the unboxing of the Topcon H5A dry battery premium receiver. Let's jump in and have a look. Here we have the Topcon H5A unit. The RL-H5A comes with Topcon standard features of height alert, so if the unit's knocked on site, 5 degrees self-leveling, 5-year warranty and IP66 weather rating, and the H5A also comes with the slope match, as well as dry cell batteries. The unit comes with 5 degrees self-leveling, as well as 5 degrees or 8.8% on the slope match functionality. The Topcon RL-H5A comes with 800 metres range, so 400 metres either side of the unit, as well as a plus or minus 1.5 mil every 30 metres accuracy. Also in the case, we have the LS100D premium receiver. The unit comes with millimetre detection, as well as an extended receiver width. Also in the case, we have the Topcon calibration certificate to say that the unit's been certified in Australia on a range, along with the site safety sticker and operating manuals for both the laser and the receiver. For further calibration, service or product registration requirements, just scan the QR code on the side of the box.